Come test drive the 2024 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.